Newton's first law, the law of inertia, states that an object at rest remains at rest, and an object that is moving will move with a constant velocity unless acted upon by an external, which means an outside force. So if you were Aristotle, way back in Aristotle time, and you saw a rock on the ground, and you kicked the rock, you would see that it slowed down and stopped. And Aristotle would have said, the reason that it stops is because it's a rock. Rocks don't want to move, they want to stand still. But Newton said that that rock would actually keep moving if there were no forces acting on it. But in fact, a force of friction is acting on it. So if you can take away friction like we do in space, then you'd find something very different. So we have this cool hockey puck, and it's now gliding on a cushion of air. And I'm going to kick it again, and you can see it keeps going until it hits the wall. It'll keep going forever until it hits the door.